Hello, I am going to talk about six important moments in my life. First, in 2012, my little brother was born. I didn't go to the hospital because I was very young. But his arrival starts my history with my love companion. Then, in 2015, I had a treasured memory, my first children. I soccer tournament. I met and compete against teams from all over the world. After, in 2017, I experienced my first cabello infantil. I visited in the municipal palace to receive my medal and recognition. It was a special day. Then, in 2018, achieved a big goal, won with state level trophy. This achievement made a national team select player on Go. Later, in 2020, I met First Nice for the first time a few days after she was born. It was a beautiful moment. Finally, in 2023, after a lot of order, sacrifice, and difficult challenge in graduate from high school, it was a great success. I know I am ready to start a new stage in my life.